Welcome back to another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. In this video, we'll show you how to remove and replace the pressure switch on this GE top-load washer. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, we will remove the control panel. Before removing the control panel, remove the load size knob from the pressure switch by pulling straight off. Take out the 3/4 inch screws along the top rear. With the screws removed, grasp the panel from the front, rock it forward very slightly, and slide it to your right. Then bring it the rest of the way forward and set it down on the top. With the control panel rolled forward, we have access to the pressure switch. To remove it, pull off the air tube while holding onto the pressure switch. Next, pull off the two wiring connectors. You may want to use a flat blade screwdriver to help pry them off. Finally, pry up the forked tab on the bracket holding the pressure switch in using a flat blade screwdriver and turn the switch counterclockwise to release it. To install the pressure switch, place it into the opening and twist clockwise until the forked metal tab locks into the white plastic tab on the panel. Next, connect the wiring. The terminals are different sizes, so there's no possibility of mixing them up. Reattach the pressure hose. Now, we can reinstall the control panel. To reinstall the control panel, start to rock it back into place, lining up the 3 tabs with the 3 slots on the top panel. Slide the panel to your left as you bring it up to lock the tabs into the top. Now, reinstall the 3/4 inch screws along the top rear. Finally, we can reinstall the load size knob onto the new pressure switch. And this will complete your repair. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.